Let me introduce you to VitalOxide. It is a revolutionary hospital-grade disinfectant that kills 99.999% of viruses and bacteria for everyday spaces.
VitalOxide is tough on germs, but easy on you. It is safe on skin and almost any surface, hard or soft, even fabric.
It has no VOCs and no scent. You can even use it on surfaces that contact food with no rinse required.
It is not only safe on you, but it's easy on your environment. It doesn't harm aquatic life or our planet.
And it's both EPA and Health Canada approved for use against COVID-19.
This is the Cobalt fogger, designed specifically for disinfection with VitalOxide. The fogger sprays tiny particles 5 to 50 microns in size. The airstream swirls around and covers all the sides and all the surfaces. Small particulate fogging ensures more even coverage in hard to reach places. And its fast application saves time, and fogging uses 60% less product than a traditional spray and wipe method.